Okay, a while back, the money tree was very fruitful, and I picked up another backhoe. We had 3 backhoes sitting in the yard, but the plan was to upgrade. And so I got the new one out and tried it out first time and found the weakest hose. This one here blew out right there, you can see. And so my plan was to make my own hoses from now on, and so I had bought a crimper and gonna give it a first shot. So first we have to measure out how much hose we need. So we're gonna go the exact same length right there, and right there, and then we're gonna cut it. So we got the hose cut. Check it again, make sure it's the same length. Looks to be. Now this is 3/8 hose. It's 100R 2AT, so it's a 2-wire 100R, and this is on your medium-size equipment, not the big stuff. I mean, then it uses 4-wire, so this has 2 layers of wire. And then we're going to put the connectors on and crimp them. What I had to do is convert this 100R 2AT to an H number for this chart. So it's an H425, and then you go across and it has, for 3/8, it has BU. So you go down 3/8 and it says BU. And so then you go down to your chart here. BU has to have the black spacer with the flat side up. So I have the flat side up. And then I have a 3/8 crimper in there, and then we have to put this together. Cut it. Okay, so we got the connector on there, and then this gets pushed in through the bottom, and there's little marks on the connector where how far it has to go. Then we center this, and then we turn this on. Oh, I guess we can just slide that out. Bear with me. First time I've crimped a hose. And as you can see, that's a very nice crimp. It's got and then we'll do the other side. So this goes in here, and you can see the dots. I'll show you the dots. There's little dots, and that goes at the top of the crimp set, like that. And there we have our first hose built. Now we have to put it on the tractor.